Hi everyone! Forex Coach Jonathan Lupo ulit at ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay two types of fears na present sa market at napaka-importante po na malaman natin to at ma-address natin to para maiwasan natin yung mga ibang bad trades. No? So don't forget to like and subscribe po sa ating channel para mas marami pa po tayo magawa. Anyway, so ito po yung two types of fear na nararamdaman po natin. Kasi tatandaan natin, no? Meron tayong nararamdaman na fear at saka greed po sa market. So ngayon pag-usapan natin, ano ba yung fear na yan, no? So number 1, meron po tayong fear of loss. Number 2, meron po tayong fear of missing out. So ano ba yung dalawang yan, no? Unahin muna natin si fear of loss, no? Ang fear of loss po, ito po yung takot natin na matalo tayo sa market at mawalan ng pera. At sa totoo lang, napaka-natural po nito, no? It's very natural for us to feel this way. And syempre, sino naman bang hindi manghihinayang pag nawalan ka ng pera? No? So normal to, it's part of being human. So madalas kapag nararamdaman natin to sa market, kanwari, meron kang floating trade tapos medyo natatalo na yung trade natin, what do you usually do? No? Kahit kayo, isipin nyo, kapag nandun kayo sa state and mind, no, na nakikita nyo yung trade nyo is already losing, medyo malapit na siya sa stop loss mo, your mind tends to go a little bit crazy. No? So ang madalas na ginagawa natin dyan ay ginagalaw natin yung stop loss. No? Meron naman tayong, meron ka naman trading plan. Meron ka ng set area kung saan mo dapat ilalagay yung stop loss. Anything more than that, alam mong mali na yung trade. Pero pag nandun ka dun sa, kumbaga malapit na yung trade doon sa stop loss mo, kinakabahan ka na, you already fear losing. So what you do is that you usually move your stop loss. So siguro yung mga iba sa inyo gumagawa nun. Oh? Ako po personally, ang daming beses ko ginawa yan. So guilty ako doon. And that's bad kasi nasa plano mo na nandun dapat yung stop loss mo eh. Kung nilagpasan mo pa, you're already risking more than what you have put in that trade. Number 2, ang pwede mong gawin dyan is revenge trading. Kanwari natalo ka na, no? Tinamaan yung stop loss mo. What do you usually do? Minsan maghahanap ka ulit ng bagong trade para ma-cover mo yung previous loss mo, no? Kasi that is fear of losing pa rin. Okay? So, bigla kang maghahanap ng ibang pair, ibang trade, ipipilit mo, no? Kahit hindi naman dapat para sana mabawi mo, no? Or even worse, ang ginagawa mo is tinatanggal mo yung stop loss tapos dinodoble mo yung lot size. For example, no? Sabihin natin dapat yung lot size mo sa trade is 0.05 lang dapat. Tapos ang gagawin mo is you take out your stop loss, tapos dadagdagan mo ng isa pang 0.05 na trade. So kung nakabay ka nung una, magbabay ka ulit ng same amount. So that hopefully pag umabot man lang ng kahit gitna, no, meet halfway, break even ka na. So yun, that's fear of losing. And I think one of the worst things that you can do also is kapag tinanggal mo yung stop loss mo na yun, hindi ka magdo-double down sa trade mo. Ang gagawin mo is mag-hedge ka. For example, nakabay ka ng 0.05, bumaba na yung market, talo ka na. Ang gagawin mo is magsisell ka ngayon ng isang 0.05 para nakatapat. Wherever the market goes, wala kang profit, wala kang loss, no? Ang problema doon sa pag-hedge, okay lang mag-hedge kung kasama yan sa strategy nyo. Pero kung nagpa-panic hedge kayo, ibig sabihin nag-hedge kayo without actually knowing what to do with it in the future, then there's no reason to execute a hedge. And the difficult part with that is usually you get to exit at the worst possible moments, no? You even increase your losses in the future. Yan yung nangyari. Tapos kung matagal mo lang inaalagaan yung hedge na yun, kakainin ka lang ng swap, no? So that's what usually happens. And number 2, meron tayong tinatawag na fear of missing out, or we call that FOMO, no? So yun yung nakikita nyo sa Facebook minsan na FOMO, FOMO. Yan yun. Fear of missing out. So, fear of missing out is very simple. It's just simply your fear of missing out on a good trade. Kanwari, may nakita kang trend, paakyat siya, no? Euro-USD, umakyat, you wanna buy it already. Napapansin mo na yung mga ibang kapwa traders mo, lahat sila bumibili na. Pero, pagtingin mo sa trading plan mo, hindi mo pa dapat bibilin. No? So, that type of situation instills fear in you. Kumbaga, natatakot ka na, sayang yung opportunity, ito na nasa tapat ko na, pera na to, kukunin ko na tong trade na to. So, whenever you do that, you don't follow your trading plan, no? You enter prematurely and it screws up your trading results, no? Kasi kapag gumana siya, edi good for you, kumita ka. Ang problema, hindi naman yun yung plano mo, so you were never able to solidify your plan and make it better. Yun naman talaga yung main point ng trading. Pinapaganda natin yung trading plan mo, you're making it consistent. Kung kumita ka doon, parang tsamba lang, no? Wala kang masyadong future learning na nakuha doon. No? So, it should be based on your plan. Alright? So, another form of fear of missing out, it kind of borders on greed as well, is pagtaas nyo ng take profit. Kunwari, nakikita mo na based on your projection, it can go up to 50 pips. So, yun yung target mo. No? Kumbaga, that's a safe exit. Tapos napapansin mo, lakas ng momentum ng market, feeling ko kaya pa to umabot ng 100 pips. I'm going to increase my take profit. Iangat mo. Pero wala na talaga dapat sa plano mo yun, no? Na iangat mo. So, what usually happens there is, pera na, naging bato pa. No? So, that's also some, form of fear of missing out, no? And I think one of the worst things that, instills fear of missing out is wala kang enough capital, no, for a certain trade. Kunwari, nakikita mo yung mga ibang kapwa traders or nakikita mo mismo sa market. There's a huge potential to earn in the market. Nakikita mo na, mukhang pataas na talaga Euro USD, medyo na-hype ka, no? So, wala ka namang ganun kalaking capital to trade with it. So, what you do is uutang ka, no? Pag umutang ka, tapos nilagay mo doon dahil sa fear of missing out, normally that ends up really bad. Tapos with that, negative ka pa. Okay lang nga yung naglagay ka kapital, no? Tapos natalo yung kapital mo. Mahirap yung nagbabayad ka pa. No? So, don't ever do that. Alright? So, those are two types of fears in the market that normally grips traders and renders us very helpless in the market. So, wag nating sundin yung mga ganyang fear. I-address natin. Normal naman na nararamdaman natin yan. But what we always have to do is stick to our trading plan. Kasi tandaan nyo, pag magti-trade tayo, dapat may plano, hindi tayo bara-bara papasok. Okay? Always stick to the trading plan. And ang purpose talaga natin is pagandahin at gawing consistent yung trading plan yan. Kasi yun talaga ang magdadala sa atin sa consistent profitability in the market. Alright? So sana nakatulong yun. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe para naman mas makagawa pa tayo ng marami pang videos nito. And if you have any requests in the future, just tell us so that we can make more of these. Alright? Bye-bye guys and thank you so much. Happy pipping!